First, find a photo of a human that you want to turn into a 3D model. This method works for all genders. In my case, I downloaded a photo from Google to use as an example. After choosing your desired photo, head over to the Google Colab file, for which the link is in the description. Then run the first cell of code, which is titled Downloading Necessary Dependencies, like you see on the screen. Keep in mind that you only need to run the first cell once, after opening the Google Colab file. If you see any of these three errors pop up, don't worry, they shouldn't cause any problems. Next, scroll down to the bottom of the page where you will see the second cell titled Image to 3D, and then run it. After running the cell, you need to select your desired image from your computer and upload it. After the generation process is finished, you will see a preview video pop up, which you can view, and then the 3D model and generated normal map should automatically start downloading, but you might need to grant your browser the permission to download multiple files. Here you can see the generated normal map that the process uses to generate the 3D model mesh. Now we need to clean up the artifacting on the generated mesh. To do this, first we need to import the 3D model into Blender. Then we select the imported mesh and go into edit mode, where we remove duplicate vertices by selecting all vertices using the button A. Then we go into mesh, cleanup and merge by distance. Then we remove further unnecessary vertices by going into the modifiers tab and selecting the decimate modifier, reducing the ratio to something like 0.7, and then we apply the modifier by pressing Ctrl+A. Next, we can go into sculpting mode to fix the artifacts using brushes like smooth, flatten, draw and inflate brushes. In the video you can see how I fix the backside of the 3D model's head. You can also add extra details to the mesh while you're at this step. Last thing that is left to do is to remove the wave pattern that you can see on the geometry by going into the modifiers tab again, but now we select the smooth modifier. Mess around with the values until the wave pattern has disappeared. The last thing left to do is to apply the modifier by pressing Ctrl+A. And there we have it, our finished 3D model generated from a single image. For more simplified tutorials like this, please consider subscribing to my channel, as there are more tutorials to come like this. And if you can, please like this video, because it would really help my channel out to grow, and I would really appreciate it. And anyways, I will see you guys in the next tutorial video.